Ojo, memeshkwe gabawik nindishnikas, adik nindodem, Opwaaganisiniing nindonji. Welcome. I welcome you to the land of my ancestors, next to Gitchigaming, and we're on the sacred lands of the Fort William First Nation. I'm very pleased that you're here to join me to build the Teaching Lodge and to experience what the Teaching Lodge is about. And I really hope that you enjoy your time. Miigwech. We like to start our days off when we're building the Teaching Lodge with a circle. And that's to ensure that everyone feels welcome. We want to really make sure that people feel comfortable and to know that they can ask questions if they have questions, and to give them a little bit of direction as to how the day is going to unfold. After the post holes are blessed, then we can start putting the saplings into the post holes. And so we start in the east. There's one sapling placed on one side and a sapling placed on the other side, and they come together in the middle and they're tied in the middle at the top, and that's your first archway. And once the archways are done, then you can start putting the ribbings on the side. Provides more stability to the archways and it holds everything all together. When I was given this role of lodgekeeper, I was instructed that the Teaching Lodge is for everyone, Indigenous and non-Indigenous people alike. And it's very important to me that everyone feels welcome and everyone feels comfortable in the circle. And we do our best to help people feel welcome. So once the ribs or the supports are on the archways, then the tarps can go on. And so if you're lucky, and we were lucky today, we have some wind, and we have the wind to help us to place the tarps on top of all the archways. As you can see, our lodge is up. All the tarps are up. We're inside. We're standing in a circle. I really wanted to thank everybody for coming yesterday and today to help out and to help us to build this Teaching Lodge, to bring the community together. We're very, very grateful. Miigwech. And before everybody goes, we wanted to sing the traveling song to end our 2 perfect days in a good way. Okay? And please help us to sing. I want to thank you very much for being with us today and spending time with us. We enjoyed having you join us. It's very important to us at the Blue Sky Community Healing Center that we continue to share a message of love and unity, and that everyone is welcome in the circle. We hear talk about reconciliation. Well, this is part of that reconciliation, is to extend a hand, be kind to each other, and welcome people from different heritages and backgrounds to join us in the circle. Miigwech.